So what is a backdoor Roth? You see, in 2024, if you're married and between the two of you make over $240,000, or an individual that makes over $161,000, you're not able to contribute to a Roth IRA directly. However, we can use what's called a backdoor Roth contribution. And the key is on this one is that you cannot have or should not have assets that are in a traditional IRA, simple IRA, or SEP IRA if you're going to pursue this strategy, because it really messes up the taxes. So if you don't have any funds in any of those three types, you can totally have money in a 401k or other types of accounts. But so long as you don't have assets in that simple IRA, SEP IRA, or traditional IRA, then what you can do is you can open a traditional IRA. You can contribute up to the maximum $7,000 if you're under age 50, or $8,000 if you're over age 50 for 2024. Contribute that to a traditional IRA and then convert or move those assets over to your Roth IRA. And you just completed a backdoor Roth and letting that tax-free bucket keep growing and growing.